Hi, all of you. I am Satyavani, second BSc BJC, TTWRTC Women's Kothagudem. So now I telling about adrenal gland. This is the topic of zoology. So we are going to our topic. Adrenal gland. This is the picture of adrenal gland. The body has two adrenals, suprarenals, each located on the superior pole of the each kidney. Each adrenal gland is structurally and functionally different into the regions or zones. That is adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla. Adrenal cortex, this is the outer or peripheral zone of the adrenal gland, which makes up bulk of the gland. And next, adrenal medulla. This is the inner zone of the adrenal gland. Next, adrenal cortex. The adrenal cortex is divided into three zones. Each zone has different cellular arrangement and secrete different groups of steroid hormones. The layers are zones of the adrenal cortex. Formula of remembering layers. Zone of glomerulus. This is the outermost zone of the adrenal cortex which secretes the mineral corticoids. This zone is secrete mineral corticoids. Next, second one, zona fasciculata. This is the middle zone of the adrenal cortex which secrete the glucocorticoids and adrenal androgens. Next, zona reticularis. This is the innermost zone of the adrenal cortex which secrete the glucocorticoids and adrenal androgens, but it is in small quantities. Hormones of the adrenal cortex. The adrenal corticoid hormones and their functions in the body are classified into three types. They are mineral corticoids, glucocorticoids, and adrenal androgens. This is the adrenal gland. Three types of the zones. There are zona glomerulus. This is the first type of the zone, and next zona fasciculata, middle zone of the adrenal gland. Adrenal cortex, and inner zone is zona reticularis. The mineral corticoids. These hormones helps to the control the water and electrolyte hormone homeostasis, particularly the concentration of sodium plus ions and potassium ions. Mineral corticoids include the following hormones. There are aldosterone, this is the principal hormone, and deoxycorticosterone, corticosterone, 9 alpha fluorocortisol, cortisol, cortisone. Glucocorticoids. The glucocorticoids are the group of hormones concerned with normal organic metabolism and resistant to stress. Glucocorticoids include the following the hormones. They are cortisol, corticosterone, cortisone, prednisone, methylprednisolone. Next, adrenal androgens. There are steroids which exhibit action similar to testosterone. Biosynthesis of adrenocortical hormones. Acetate, cholesterol, pregnenolone, progesterone, aldosterone. 17th OH, pregnenolone, cortisol, androgen. Aldosterone. This is a hormone of the adrenal cortex secreted by the outermost layer is called zona glomerulus. This is daily secretion of 150 grams per day. Normal plasma level 6 grams 100 ml. Half-life of the adrenals. The half-life of the aldosterone is a short, about 20 minutes. Transport. Most of the secreted aldosterone is bounded to albumin with lesser amount of bounded to corticosteroid binding globin CBG. CBG means corticosteroid binding globulin. The transport is follows: 60% bound with the plasma protein, mostly albumin. 40% transported in free form. Regulation of aldosterone secretions. Factors increasing aldosterone secretion: increased potassium ions, decreased sodium ions, undefined pituitary factors, ACTH, hypolemia, hypopotensia, increased renin angiotensin, stress, adrenal adenoma, Conn's syndrome, idiopathic adrenal hyperplasia. Next, effect of the aldosterone. First effect on the renal tubules. The main action of aldosterone to maintain balance of the electrolyte contents of the body fluid. The site of action are the ascending limb, loop of Henle, and distal and collecting tubules. Aldosterone causes the increased tubular reabsorption of Na plus in exchange of K plus and H plus ions. The lack of aldosterone causes an excess of loss of Na plus ions in urine. General effects on circulation: in increased blood volume and cardiac output. Next, blood pressure: increases blood pressure due to increased cardiac output and blood volume and venous return. Next, cortisol. The cortisol introduction is: cortisol is known as hydrocortisone. This is hormone is most abundant and essential for life. It is responsible for about 90% of glucocorticoid activity. Site formation: cortisol is secreted by the zona fasciculata and zona reticularis layers of the adrenal cortex of adrenal gland. Biosynthesis: this hormone is this hormone is a 21 carbon atom steroid which is synthesized from acetyl coenzyme cholesterols. This is daily secretion rate is 50 mg per day. Half life 90 to 100 minutes. Normal plasma level is 94% bound with cortisol binding protein, 6% in free form. Next, regulation of cortisol secretion. This is emotion, stress, trauma, and influence of the cardiac rhythm. Hypothalamus corticotropin release factor. Hypothalamus release CRF. Next, anterior pituitary adrenocorticotropic hormone ACTH, adrenal cortex cortisol hormone. Next, effect of the cortisol. Metabolic effects. First effect, carbohydrates metabolism. Cortisol stimulates the glucogenesis in liver by the mobilizing amino acids from extrahepatic tissue, muscles, and by increasing the enzymes of the gluconeogenesis. Next, it is a decrease the utilizing of glucose by cells, decreasing oxidation of NADH2, which is needed for glycolysis, and by decreasing glucose transport into the cells. It increases the blood glucose level due to the increased glucogenesis and decreases glucose utilization. This condition is called adrenal diabetes. We know diabetes. Protein metabolism, second effect. The principal effects of cortisol on the metabolic synthesis of body is reduction of the protein stores in a body cells except those of the liver. This caused by the both decreased protein synthesis and increases the catabolism of protein in the cells. It inhibits the amino acids entry into the cells except the liver. The amino acids are enter into the cells except liver. It increases the amino acids concentration in blood. It increases the urea level in blood. Next, fat metabolism. It mobilizes fatty acid from adipose tissue. It increases free fatty acid concentration in blood. It increases the utilization of free fatty acid for energy. It caches the ketosis due to increased conversion of free fatty acids into acetyl coenzyme. Electrolyte metabolism. It promotes the Na plus sodium ions and chlorine retention from renal tubules. It increases the excretion of potassium ions by kidneys. Water metabolism. It caches the disorders by the suppressing the ADH secretion or by increasing the destruction of the ADH by liver cells. General effects on the CVS. The CVS means chronic villus sampling. Chronic villus sampling. Okay. Cortisol increases the blood pressure because of increased production of the angiotensin. Increases the sensibility of vascular smooth muscle to noradrenaline and adrenaline. Next, on the blood cells, increases the platelet count, decreases the blood clotting time, increases the total WBCs, decreases the lymphocytes, eosinophils, and basophils, increases the neutrophils, monocytes, and RBC count. On CNS means central nervous system. CNS means central nervous system. The low cortisol levels cause the restless, insomnia, and inability to concentrate. Causes the excitation of the CNS. On GIT. GIT means gastrointestinal tract. Increases gastric acidity and may cause a peptide ulcer. On bone. Excess cortisol may cause the defect in the synthesis of protein matrix. It decreases the deposition of calcium. It increases the loss of calcium in urine. It decreases the absorption of the calcium from GIT. GIT means gastrointestinal tract. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity.